In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency to PayPal. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to manage their finances easily, especially if you deal with international transactions. Let's get started. First, open a browser and search for PayPal. You can use any search engine you prefer. Once the results come up, look for the official PayPal website, which usually appears at the top of the list. It's important to ensure you are on the correct site to protect your personal information. This step is the gateway to accessing your PayPal account, so take a moment to confirm that the URL begins with www.paypal.com. Once you have the right link, click it and log into your PayPal account. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. After you click the login button, you might encounter a two-factor authentication step if you have that enabled. This added layer of security is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized access. If everything goes smoothly, you will be directed to your PayPal dashboard where all your financial activities are listed. Now, click on the Wallet option located in the top menu bar. This section is essential as it contains all your financial tools, including your balances, linked accounts, and currencies. When you click Wallet, you will see an overview of your current balances and any connected bank accounts or cards. This part of the interface is user-friendly, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, if you are adding a new currency, type a new location into the search bar. This is where you can specify the country whose currency you want to add. By entering a location, you will help narrow down the currencies available. This step is useful for ensuring you are adding the correct currency related to your needs. Once you have typed in the location, the system will display relevant results for you to choose from. After that, select the Add a Currency link found next to your existing PayPal balance. This link is usually clearly marked, making it easy to find. Clicking this link will lead you to the section where you can manage your currencies. It is a straightforward process, and you will appreciate the clarity of the options presented. This action is key to expanding your PayPal capabilities, allowing you to handle multiple currencies for your transactions. Then choose your desired currency from the drop-down list of supported global options. The drop-down will display various currencies from around the world, so take your time to find the one you want. You might see options like euros, pounds, or yen, depending on your needs. Selecting the correct currency is crucial for ensuring that your transactions reflect accurate amounts. Finally, click the Add a Currency button to finalize your selection. This step confirms your choice and ensures that the currency is now part of your PayPal account. Once you click this button, you should see a confirmation message that indicates the currency has been successfully added. This reassures you that your changes are saved and you can start using the new currency right away. Now you know how to add currency to PayPal. These steps will help you manage your international transactions more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy transacting.